It is Wednesday, November 25th, 2020. We have a high of 36.55. We have a low of 36.22 and 3/4. Right now, the market's at 36.23 and 1/4, down 9.5, which is down about 1/4%. In terms of the charts, let's check out we see the daily right here. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute. Oh, wow. Okay. We're going to go short before we do anything else. Okay, let's do that. Let's go short 5. Here we go. Okay, and we're filled. Okay, we are short 5, 36.23 and 1/4. Today's Wednesday, November 25th, 2020. 9:50 a.m. and we are short 5 at 36.23 and 1/4. Let's look at the charts. Okay. All right. So we see here on the 30-minute, the market's sitting on support. It looks like it's about to go under that. We just need a break under 36.20, and then we have the blue line, the red line. The blue at about 36.10, the red at about 35.85. Let's look at the 10-minute. Okay, and the 10-minute, it just went under the red line. You see, right there, it's kind of trying to solidly go under the red line. And after that, there's nothing really holding it. On the 5-minute, it's under all the moving averages. So that's pretty encouraging for our short. On the 5-minute, and then on the 1-minute, we are also under all of the moving averages. Let's check out the 3-minute as well. Same situation. Okay, now we'll go back to the hour. Whoops, so just the 10-minute. Okay, hold on, it's loading. Okay, let's do the hourly. Here we go. Okay. All right, so we're going to put in our stop. Let's see. 30, oops. 30, let's see, what was that high? We'll put it in at 36, 38.5. Okay, that's going to be our new stop. 36, 38.5. Okay, that's going to be our stop. Whoops. 36, 38.5. Okay. And our order is in. Alrighty, Wednesday, November 25th, 2020, 3:49 p.m. So here's what's going on. The market hasn't really been doing much. Let's look at the 1-minute first. And here you'll see what's going on here. Okay, so, okay, here you go. And you see, okay, we had the open here at around, around 9:30. We see the big volume, right? So we see the open there. The market was at 36.32, went down to about 36.16, back up to 36.24, back to 36.16, back to 36.28. So basically just very, very choppy action throughout the day. So we got short, and we're just sitting with our short. We didn't really do much either. Because if the market's not doing much, we don't need to do much either, right? Anyways, in terms of going in and out. So, in terms of the 3-minute, you see a little bit more clearly. Here, let me make that a little bigger. So you see the market opened, down, hit the resistance, back down, almost to the lows of that move, then back up, hits the red line, goes back down, hits the red line, goes back down, finally breaks above the red line, And now it looks like, again, it's heading down. And we have, we have 10 minutes till the New York Stock Exchange closes, and then another 15 minutes after that to be out, right? So that's a 3-minute chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, we see this resistance. The red line seems to successfully keep the market down. Every time it got close to the red, it went down. Well, here was first the blue, you see. Okay, the blue, boom, brings it right down, the blue moving average. And then now it looks like the red is what's holding, serving to be the resistance level for the market, it seems. So here we go. Again, it hit the red. Whoops. It hit the red a few times, you can see. And every time it went a little higher to like 32 and then right back down. And now again into the close, it looks like we are selling off. Thanksgiving's coming up, right, guys? I hope you guys are excited. There's a lot to be thankful for, and it's been a very eventful year, but where focus goes, energy flows, and we need to focus on all the blessings that we do have and all the people around us that are well, or getting well, or we have to just appreciate. When you fill your life with appreciation, then life changes. If you focus on what you do have, then you get a lot more of it. And the reason is like, even if nothing changes, just the fact that you start to see and you activate your reticular activating system to focus on things that you have in life, you start to notice them more. And you start to be like, wow, look at the heart that I have that's beating for me nonstop. Oh, wow, look at my eyes that I can see all the beautiful wow, look at the mountains, look at the beaches, look at, and you start appreciating everything in life. And, that's what happiness is about. It's about appreciation, progress, and contribution. Anyways, back to the market. So, the 5-minute, we see the red line is serving to be resistance. Okay, and then the 10-minute is the blue line's been resistance. Again, I went to the 32 level, back down, and it looks like right now we're sitting at what could be support or resistance. Again, like I told you, these 3 lines are considered support resistance. So depending on which side of the market it goes, what was support becomes resistance, and what was resistance becomes support, okay? So, right now it's sitting on those averages. We're looking for a break under 36.25. But again, this day hasn't really done much. In terms of the 15-minute chart, okay, it looks nice. I like this formation here. It looks like the blue line was a really nice resistance. They didn't even touch the blue line. And it looks like all of the averages, but like the blue line above and the red below, are all coming together, it seems. And now it looks like the market may head underneath them. So that's going to be interesting. But again, not much is going on. I mean, it's, again, Thanksgiving weekend. I believe the market has a shortened session tomorrow. I'm talking about the futures markets. The market, I believe, is closed on the New York Stock Exchange, but the futures, I think, are open till 1. So anyways, so that's what's going on here. That's the 15-minute. And then let's look at the 10-minute. 10-minute, something similar to the 15. Yes, it's very similar. Okay, and finally, let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute, you see these lines are flattening, right? You see first I'm talking about these resistance support lines. You see first they were heading up. Last 2 days or so. And now it's kind of flattening. You see they're starting to flatten out, which makes sense because the market's kind of flat, right? A little up, a little down, and flat. Okay, that's a 30-minute. So let's go back to our 3-minute, okay? And let's see. Okay, so we see here sitting at 36.26.5. I think what we're going to do is we're going to put an order for 36.18. Okay, so we're going to replace our stop, and we're going to put it in for a limit at 36.18. Actually, 36.17. 0.75 we'll do. Okay, how about that? We'll do 36, 17 and 3/4 for a limit order to buy the market. If we don't get filled, we'll just change it to a market order. And of course, we are watching the market to see what other, changes may be appropriate. So we're down about 687.50 right now at this moment as we speak. 750. We're at about 159, 158, 885.10. So yeah, let's see where it goes. Right now, the market's at 36.26.5. Okay. Alrighty, let's get out of this. Let's do a market order. Let's flatten our position. Let's cancel the working order. And is it canceled? Okay. Alright, we canceled the working order. Let's check out to confirm that we're out. Okay, we're out. Alrighty, so we are out. We went we went short 9:50 a.m. today, Wednesday, November 25th, 2020 at 36.23 1/4, and we held it throughout the day. Like I said, we wasn't much happening today, and we ended up trying to get out at 36.17 3/4. We put in an order, but it didn't hit that level, so we just got out at the market at 4:14 p.m. We bought back the 5 at 36.28 3/4. So we are down approximately 0.87% today. We're down 1,375 before commissions, and our equity is at $158,305.40. Okay, to be clear, we hit the 160 level a few times already, but right now at this close, we're still a little bit underneath. We're about 2,000 shy, a little less than that, but 2,000 shy of 160 and being above it. But we're going to get there. We're going to definitely, well, there's no definites in life, right? Especially trading, but we're definitely planning and committing ourselves to do our best to be way above 160 and even 170 and even higher than that, which would put us at the highest levels we've been so far with this challenge, before the close of the challenge, the 30 days. Okay, tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, okay? So, unless I see differently, I believe the New York Stock Exchange is closed completely tomorrow. Although the futures may be open, I'm not sure yet. I have to check. And then Friday, I believe they have an early close. So very possibly we won't be doing anything until Monday. Okay. We may just wait and hold off until Monday, even if the markets are open. Or we may do a quick trade, potentially either Thursday or Friday if the S&P futures are open. In any case, guys, ladies and gentlemen, it's Wednesday, November 25th, 2020, 4:17 p.m. This is what I want to leave you with, okay? Listen, it is your time to come back stronger than ever, okay? Go into Thanksgiving. Count all the blessings you have. Focus on the appreciation and all the goodness that you do have in your life, and then make plans for the future. When you're busy focusing on appreciation, progress, and contribution, you got to be happy. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm wishing you an awesome holiday. Enjoy Thanksgiving with family and friends if you celebrate. Either way, enjoy the weekend. Have a fantastic weekend. And every day is Thanksgiving. I wake up every morning and night, and the first thing I do is I focus on 18 things that I appreciate. It's called the Appreciation Challenge for me. So definitely go. Enjoy the holiday. Enjoy the weekend. And make plans for your future. If you are interested in joining a group that's doing just that, definitely find me on Facebook, okay? And we are going to be doing a 30-day challenge in the coming days to close out this year. Okay? So we might even start tomorrow. We will have to see. But we're going to do a 30-day challenge where you're going to take 30 days to prepare yourself to come back stronger than ever in 2020. All right, guys, have a great evening. God bless you, and have a good night. Take care.